is 6 by 15. So we have to take the 15 denominator, then prime factorize that, then we will get 3 into 5. But here we can't conclude here it is not of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, because 6 by 15, 6 by 3 into 5 we can simplify. Cut 3 by 3 here, then what we will get? 6 by 3 is 2, 3 by 3 is 1. Then 2 by 5 is the number. Then here the denominator is of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. Conclude that 6 by 15 is having terminating decimal expansion. Then we have to find its decimal expansion for the second section. That means 6 by 15 we got as what? 2 by 5. Okay, so in the denominator 1 5 is there. So we have to get 1 2 also. So 5 into 2. Both the numerator and denominator we should multiply by this 2. Then 2 2s are 5. 5 into 2 is 10. Then 0.4 is the decimal expansion. Question 9. 35 by 50. So here we have to prime factorize 50. Then we will get it as 2 into 5 square. So it is of the form 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m. 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. So 35 by 50 is having terminating decimal expansion. So here we have to find its decimal expansion for the question number 2. 35 by 50 we can write as 35 by 2 into 5 square. Then here 35 and this 5 square. We can write as 35 by 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, now we can cut this 5 and 35. Then what we will get? 7 by 2 into 5. Okay, now 1 2 and 1 5. So no need to multiply again. So we get 7 by 10, that is 0.7. This is the decimal expansion. Now the last question of the first section, that is 77 by 210. So we have to take the denominator 210 and prime factorize that. It is an even number, so we can divide it by 2. 1 2s are 2. Then 1 is less than 2, so we can put 0. Then together 10. 5 2s are 10. Then this is not divisible by 2. Then 5 plus 1 is 6, so it is divisible by 3. Then we will get 35. Then it is divisible by 5, that we get as 7. 7 is a prime number, so we can write it as 210 equal 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. From this itself we can find out, or we can identify that this is having non-terminating recurring decimal expansion, because here other than 2 and 5, 3 and 7 are the factors. So we can write the conclusion as factorization of the denominator 210 is of the form 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, which is not of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. So we can write the answer that as 27 by 210 is having non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So no need to find its decimal expansion for the second question. Exercise 1.4, question number 3. The following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form p by q, what can you say about the prime factors of q? If the given decimal expansion is for the rational number, then that decimal expansion should be terminating or non-terminating repeating. If the decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating, then it is not a rational number. So, if it is rational number, then what we can say about the denominator? Prime factors of the denominator q. That should be is of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. In this question, there are 3 sub-questions. Sub question is 43.12345678 This is a terminating decimal expansion. So we can say that it is a rational number. Okay. Then how we can express this as P by Q form? It is easy to express. Without decimal, we should write all the digits. Then divided by how many digits after decimal? Here 9 digits. So 1 and 9 zeros we have to write. Okay. Then this we can rewrite as 4312345678 by 10 raised to 9. This 10 we can again rewrite as 4312345678 divided by 2 raised to 9 into 5 raised to 9. That means the denominator is of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m is of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. Second sub question is 0.120, 1200, 12000, 120000, etc. That means it is non-terminating, non-repeating. Not the same number repeated. 12 after 0, 12 after 00, 12 after 000. Okay. So it is not repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating means it is not a rational number. It is not a rational number. It is not a rational number since it is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. So it is not a rational number. The third sub question is 43.123456789 bar. This bar represents repeating. Okay. So this is non-terminating, repeating. So it is a rational number. Then how we can write it as the P by Q form? Okay. That you already studied in the last year. X equal 43.123456789 bar. That means x equal 43.123456789, 123456789, etc. That we can take as equation 1. Then how many digits after decimal repeated? 9 digits repeated. So we have to multiply this x by 1 and 9 zeros. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros and into x equal. What will happen here? This 9 digits came before this decimal. That means 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. Isn't it? This we can take as equation 2. Then what we should do? Equation 2 minus equation 1 we have to do. Then this much zeros. 1 and 9 zeros x. Minus x means what? This minus 1. That will get 9 nines we will get. Okay. 3, 6, 9. This much x equal. When we subtract this minus this decimal after this decimal all digits will be 0. Then we have to subtract this minus this. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then all the other digits we get as the same. So 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This only we subtract, that we got as 4, 6. Then x equal 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 6 divided by 999, 999, 999. Again cut these both the numerator and denominator by 3. Then we will get 4791, 495194 by 111, 111, 111. So here it is a rational number, but its denominator is not of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. Okay, denominator is not of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. It is a rational number, but it is not a terminating decimal expansion. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.